Hey everyone, we're going to demo a quick automation in ClickUp. What we're going to do is stop a task from being able to be closed by a guest. So, sounds quite simple. You don't want a guest that's invited to your workspace to be able to close tasks in this list. So the way we're going to do it is with ClickUp's built-in automations. Now I've got this custom field here on the right called locked, and what I've said is that this task here can't be closed, so I've just checked that one. Now if I go into here, let's say this one can be closed, next one is in progress, cool. And then we close it. Awesome, fine. Now that all works. This one can't be closed. Let's say I'm working on this task, everything's going well, and now we go and close it, and it looks like it can be closed, but because we've locked it, you can see it's gone back to in progress. So it does close, you have a record that the guest or whoever tried to close it, but now it's gone back to in progress because you don't want them to be able to close it. And so you might be thinking, oh, the guest can just uncheck this locked button. But if we go into, let's say we go into here and we go to edit the field, we go to advanced settings, inside this bit you're saying it's not visible to guests. So guests can't actually see this locked column. They'll just try and close the ticket and then it will come back to in progress, and I think that's strange. So that's going to be super useful for some people. It's quite a niche automation, but hopefully useful. So this ticket can't be closed. Let's look at how it actually works. If we go into the automations here, we've got one active automation. When status changes and condition is true, then change status. If we go in and we have a look, so we're saying when the status changes from any status at all and it goes to closed, and if this condition is true, so if the custom field is equal to locked and it's checked, so if you've locked the task saying this cannot be closed, then change the status back to in progress. So every time someone tries to change it, if they're a guest, or even if they're not a guest, it's anyone in your space. But until you say, okay, this ticket, we're allowed to close it. I don't want guests messing around, but I'm happy it's all done. We'll unlock it, and then they can go and close it. And now it's closed. Everything works, and you can get on with the rest of your tasks and project. So I hope that was helpful to some of you. Again, quite a niche automation, but shows what you can do inside ClickUp and how useful it can be. So I'll see you in the next video.